Something I really like about Microstock is the form of income it creates. After uploading a file to a Microstock marketplace, it's no longer a time for money exchange, but it becomes a digital asset. A digital asset is anything that is stored digitally to realize value. These digital assets create passive income. Passive income refers to the earnings that are generated with minimal ongoing effort or active involvement. It is income received on a regular basis from investments, businesses or digital assets that require little day-to-day management. It's the principle that's also described in the famous book Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Now he speaks about two things: assets and liabilities. An asset puts money in your pocket. Examples are stocks, real estate or digital assets like Microstock. And a liability takes money out of your pocket. For example, a debt with interest, an expensive car or a vacation. Now if you generate enough assets, you no longer have to work for your liabilities. You're financially free. Hello and welcome everybody. My name is Hugo and I use my drones to capture and sell Microstock media online. It makes me passive income and I've been doing this since like 2012, of which the last 3 years very seriously using drones. Now I like this because it makes a great way of passive income. Once you upload it, it will generate you money. So they are like a form of digital assets. And today I want to show you 3 of my best selling media files and how much they made me. I'm also going to show you the titles and the keywords. Now what I did, I looked at the 4 major agencies which make me the most money. It's like 95% of my income comes from these 4 agencies. And I looked at what they made me in 1 year's time. And then I also can calculate how much they make me a month. Now the 4 major agencies are Shutterstock, Storyblocks, Adobe Stock and Pond 5. Pretty sure you all know them and upload to them as well. So let's dive straight into the number 3. Now the number 3 is an offshore wind turbine, wind park, an aerial drone view. Now the earnings on the 4 major agencies, Adobe Stock, it made me $190.75. Shutterstock, $262.09. Pond 5, $25, and Storyblocks 0. Well, this makes a total of $477.84, which is about $40 per month in passive income on this file alone. Now I have to say, I've been to that location and I've made actually multiple videos of this installation, and they also make me money. So this is not even the whole amount. So in one session you can make more than $500 because also it's passive, and this is just 1 year. It will also continue to sell over the upcoming time. It's quite good earnings, I would say. Put in the keywords I made, the title, yeah, and this is the file, of course, and the statements where it says how much I made on them and how much they got downloaded. Now number 2 is an aerial drone video of Brussels. This made me $59 on Adobe Stock, $222 on Shutterstock, so it sells really well there. Pond 5, $98. Storyblocks 168. Now I have to show you how I calculate it, because over each agencies they kind of show it in a different way, and on Storyblocks they show it as a percentage of your earnings, of your downloads, 0.35% around. I looked at what I make on average a month on Storyblocks, and that's about $400. So I took 0.035% of $400 and multiplied it by 12 months. And then you get $168 per year. Well, the total of that is almost $550. This file made me in 1 year, and that's $45 a month. Now also you can see here that a little bit different file, but the same topic on the same day also gets downloaded. At least the minimum I'm making on this file, and it will continue to sell over the coming time. So it will become even more. And then on number 1, it's an aerial video of a data center. Now, if you watch videos of me before, file is usually a really good seller. I've been to this data center 3 times, one time during the night, one time during winter. And these files also sell really well. I made even more money than we can see here. It's $166 on Adobe Stock, $280 on Shutterstock. Pond 5, this file doesn't sell at all. And on Storyblocks it's $201.60. So that makes a total $650. Which is an earnings per month of $55 of passive income. Yeah, I like this form of income because once you upload it, you don't have to look about it anymore. It will keep generating revenue for me. Now these are my three of my top selling files. Hopefully you can learn something from it, and I would appreciate it if you like my videos, if you're into Microstock, to share your experiences, because I always find it interesting to learn from other people. And yeah, please subscribe so we can build a nice community, and I really like it to help other people yeah, also grow their income with Microstock. So thanks, and see you next time. Bye bye.